guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Aishwarya and my शुरुआत करते रहिए. So I just had my dinner and I'm in my pajamas as you can see, and I was just sitting down to review my mid-year. मतलब जो अभी तक का जून तक का जो year हमारा था 2021 का. So I thought let's just film it, let's just shoot it so that I can share it with you guys how I like to review and reset my year. So we are already in 7th freaking month of 2021. ऐसा लगता है कि यार कल ही तो बैठ के मैं रिजोल्यूशन लिख रही थी कि मुझे 2021 में क्या करना है, मैं मूड बोर्ड बना रही थी और व्हाट नॉट, एंड इट्स ऑलरेडी 7th मंथ. 6 महीने पता नहीं कहाँ चले गए. So I think it's a good idea to review कि what did you do like these 6 months and what can you do better in next 6 months. और रिजोल्यूशन का कहाँ तक हुआ, क्या क्या नहीं हुआ, क्या क्या अभी रेलेवेंट ही नहीं लग रहा है, तो उसकी भी लिस्ट बनाते हैं. So yes, let's start reviewing our mid-year and let's start resetting for let's reset our next half year. Okay, so I'm just using a piece of paper and I'm gonna write it right here. I usually have a diary for it, but that diary of mine is in Pune and a piece of paper is just fine. I have decided to be a little minimalistic if that's even possible for a person like me, but sure, I can try. Why is this chair making such noises? Please ignore. Anyway, okay, so the first thing that I do when I'm sitting down to review my month is make a list of things that I think are my wins. मतलब वो सारी चीज़ें जो मुझे लगता है कि मैंने सही किया, या वो सारी चीज़ें जो मुझे बड़ा प्राउड फील मैंने खुद को कराया कि वाह मैंने ये किया है ये साल में. क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि हम लोग बहुत बार भूल जाते हैं कि यार हमने ये किया, और बहुत छोटी छोटी चीज़ें भी तुम्हारी विंस में हो सकता है. मतलब ऐसा लगता है कि व्हेन यू थिंक अबाउट इट, ऐसा लगता है कि यार मैंने क्या किया, मैंने कुछ भी तो नहीं किया. यस्टरडे आई वाज थिंकिंग कि यार एक मतलब वी आर ऑलरेडी डन विद 6 months ऑफ दिस ईयर and what did I do? I did nothing and I was thinking about it. But I'm sure when I think about it more seriously, I can make list of few things that I did that I really should be proud of myself. So before I start any other thing, what I do is I make list of things जो मुझे लगता है कि मेरी wins है. Like for example, when I made my resolutions for this year, YouTube was one of my goals. कि मैंने अभी वो सच बताओ तो वो 4 साल से मेरे लिस्ट में है कि मैंने YouTube चैनल खोलना है, वो 4 साल से मैं कर ही रही हूँ. But I did it this year, so I think that is kind of an accomplishment for me कि I came out of my comfort zone and I have a YouTube channel now where I make videos, like 2 videos every week, which is kind of a big deal for me. तो ये भी तो win हुआ. या फिर बहुत छोटी छोटी चीज़ें, बहुत मतलब मैंने कुछ लोगों को लाइफ में इग्नोर करना सीखा है कि यार मुझे ये लोग परेशान करते हैं, इनसे मुझे सिर्फ डिमोटिवेशन मिलना है लाइफ में, तो मैं क्यों उनका वैलिडेशन सीख कर रही हूँ, मैंने उनको इग्नोर करना. तो ये भी मेरी एक तरह से जीत ही हुई कि these are the things I should be really proud of myself for. तो yes, let's make a list of things that you think you did right this year, like this half year. You can pause the video here and make list of your wins and then start the video again. So the idea is to look at the positives of the year. मतलब वो सारी positive चीज़ें जो तुम्हारे साथ हुई. So yes, write down your wins, write down things that you have achieved in your life. बहुत छोटी छोटी चीज़ें भी हो सकती है. Like for example, I did a floating workout, floating challenge, which is a big deal for me. It's like I did that, oh my god, I did that. So like that, you can write your small wins, big wins, your accomplishments, anything. Okay, so next thing is your goals. So when you started this year, like for those of you who like to make resolutions or bucket lists or have plans, good. For those of you who don't have that, but I think you still have an idea of what you want to do in a particular year. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता यार कि you just blank, like with a blank idea started a year. ऐसा usually नहीं होता. At least you have some sort of idea how you want your this year to look like. So focus on that. Those of you who have resolutions and goals, you can obviously focus on that. So focus, take out that list or take out that diary जहाँ आपने ये लिखा है कि मुझे ये साल में ये करना है, and then go through those goals or resolutions or bucket list or whatever that you have, and try to review it. Try to have an idea कि इसमें से मेरा क्या क्या हुआ है, इसमें से क्या क्या नहीं हुआ है, इसमें से क्या क्या अब मुझे रेलेवेंट नहीं लग रहा है. जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल मुझे लगा था कि मैंने सोचा था कि मुझे स्विमिंग सीखना है ये साल, बट राइट नाउ बिकॉज ऑफ द सिचुएशन दैट वी आर इन शायद ये पॉसिबल नहीं है, तो उसका रेलेवेंसी अभी शायद इस साल नहीं रहे, तो आई पुट दैट इन सम अदर ईयर, या फिर अभी अगर सब खुलेगा लॉकडाउन के बाद तो मे बी ये 6 महीने में मैं ट्राई कर सकता हूँ ऐसा. सो ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट थिंग्स दोज आर स्टिल रिलेवेंट, कि ये मैंने लिखा था और ये आज भी मुझे उतनी ही डेस्परेटली करना है, या मैं चाहती हूँ कि ये मैं करूँ. सो रिव्यू दैट लिस्ट, उसमें से क्या क्या तुमको निकाल ही देना है कि ये मुझे करना ही नहीं है, और वो जो मुझे करना ही है पर मैंने किया ही नहीं. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैंने लिखा था कि मुझे इस साल हेड स्टैंड करना सीखना है. आई हैव नेवर डन दैट बिफोर, बट फॉर द 6 months आई फॉरगॉट अबाउट इट कम्प्लीटली. नाउ व्हेन आई एम लुकिंग एट द लिस्ट दैट आई हैव मेड, मुझे लगता है कि शिट आई कम्प्लीटली फॉरगॉट अबाउट दिस, बट नाउ आई हैव 6 months टू फोकस ऑन इट and 6 months to develop that habit or learn that yoga flow, और मैं शायद headstand कर भी पाऊँ, you never know. So now that I remember it again, I think this is one of the benefits of mid-year review, कि तुमको पता चलता है. बहुत बार ऐसे होता है कि you make a resolution and then you completely forget about it. So this kind of gives you a clear idea. So yes, like that, review your goals and make new ones. Like try to reset for the next half year and try to categorize your goals. I mean, ऐसे make different categories so that it becomes easy for you to put down your goals. Like for example, mental health, physical health, career goals. उसके बाद I don't know, hair care goals, skin care goals. Like these, even the little things really count. So make your goals accordingly and try to reset for the remaining half year. So let's just do that. Now that you're done with it, these are few questions that I like to use as reference to review my mid-year. So I'll just say, I'll just read out this question out loud, and then you can write it in your notebook how you feel about that particular question. So the number one is, what am I most satisfied achieving so far? I think this question kind of focuses on your satisfaction as well as your I don't know how to say it. Usually goals हम लोग बहुत practically देखते हैं कि ये करना था और ये मैंने कर दिया, but am I satisfied with it? So this helps you measure your success in terms of satisfaction, if that makes sense. So yes, what am I most satisfied achieving so far? Okay, so next question is, what is currently bringing me in the results and what is not? Again, very simple. वो क्या चीज़ें हैं जो मुझे अभी रिजल्ट्स लाने में हेल्प कर रही है और वो क्या चीज़ें जो मुझे नहीं कर रही. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल इन माय केस, मेकिंग टू डू लिस्ट एवरी सिंगल नाइट फॉर द नेक्स्ट डे इज रियली हेल्पिंग मी टू बी प्रोडक्टिव. So every day when I wake up, I have like my journal, my diary right next to me. It's on my nightstand, and the moment I wake up, the first thing that I do is grab the diary and see what am I supposed to do that particular day. So that kind of is helping me to stay productive. So that is really helping me. And what is not helping me, I think, is this idea of being a perfect version of myself. I think it's just not possible. I want to be that girl who wakes up at 5 in the morning and then works out and then eats her breakfast, like healthy breakfast, और जो रोज वर्कआउट कर रही है और जो बड़ा is basically a perfect version of myself. And this idea is making me go crazy sometimes कि, और फिर मुझे frustration आ जाता है कि ये क्यों नहीं हो रहा है. So if I wake up at 6 in the morning, I'll work out. But if I wake up at 8 in the morning, I won't. So this whole idea of trying to make my life perfect is not helping me. I should be more real. If I'm sleeping at like say 1:30 or 2 in the night, how am I supposed to wake up at 4 or 5 in the morning? It's just not possible. So this whole idea of being perfect is not helping me and is not bringing me results. उससे अच्छा है कि मैं थोड़ा रियल लाइफ, मतलब उससे अच्छा है कि मैं थोड़ा सा रियल बनने की कोशिश करूँ कि अगर मैं 8 बजे भी उठ रही हूँ तो यार ठीक है, फिर भी मैं वर्कआउट करूँ. So I know what my problem is and I'm gonna like work on it really nicely. So yes, things that you're doing that is really helping you, and things that you are doing and is not helping you. So make a list of that. I think it really helps. Next question is, what are my professional and personal development goals for the rest of the year? Easy. For me, I think it's going to be focusing more on sending out auditions. Yes, I am an actor, and I put a lot of my acting stuff on my Instagram, so do follow me there. So I am going to send more auditions. I obviously sent few of the auditions in like these 6 months, but not very much, to be very honest. But I'm gonna take this really seriously and make good audition clips. ऐसा नहीं कि कुछ भी भेज दिया. I'm gonna shoot good intros in all the languages that I know. I'm gonna make really good audition tapes. So things that I'm going to do for my professional development and my personal development. Yes. Ooh, it started raining. Okay, am I connecting and building relationship with the right people? I think this question is really important. And I really believe that people in your life matter a lot. Like the kind of people you are surrounded by, you are with, really matter in everything that you're like. It has an impact on everything that you're doing. So I find this question really important. And I think right now I am with like really right people, and I'm just so happy, you know. So oh yes, I'm doing really good in this category. I'm happy. Okay. Next question is, what habits do I need to look into changing or improving? Easy things, habits that you think you should change, and habits that you think you should continue because they are really helping you. So that. And the last question is, how do I see the next 6 months shaping up? Pretty easy, and I really know how I want my next 6 months to be. So, yours, girl. Okay. So I really hope that you wrote all these questions with me video pause karke, and you found this video useful and helpful. If you did, don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I will see you in the next video. So I'm excited for the remaining year. Yeah, now I'm like, yeah. Alright then, bye bye. You know, I should come up with something that is like my signature thing where I end a particular video. मैं शुरू तो इतना मतलब कर देती हूँ first से hi guys वगैरह करके, पर ये end कैसे होता है मुझे ना समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा है अभी तक. हालांकि मैंने बहुत वीडियोस बना लिए हैं, पर अभी भी I don't know how to end a video. So समझ लो यार, जाने दो. Alright then, bye bye. Good night. I'm gonna sleep now, but I post this at 4 ना, तो जो भी है.